What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome back to yet another analysis on Luna 2.0. I guess we should call it, or we could call it, we should call it Luna. The other Luna is now called Luna Classic. But yeah, so this has kind of become a daily thing, analyzing Terra, but I think it's quite interesting. A lot's happening, and a lot of people are now closely monitoring the price. Volume is still very high at 800 million, which is about 60% of the market cap, which is 1.3 billion, still quite high. It's now down 10%. Compared to other cryptos, that's not that much. So if you actually rank it with all the other cryptos, it's now at around 45 or something. A little bit higher actually, like 40, 43. Pretty high, top 50 coins still. So yeah. What we said yesterday, when we did the analysis yesterday, we were finding support here on top of $7. And the main thing we talked about that we needed to do is break out of this $8.5 level, which is a very hard thing to do, admittedly. But yeah, and in the other case, what we talked about is that we would just follow this downtrend, because we got pretty clear downtrend going on, as you can see, and this trend line held on pretty well, dropped down already, then we took another resistance touch, and then some good news, because and yesterday we said that this was the next support level upon which we would again evaluate whether that could hold. So that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. And then we got some good news. We actually formed a pretty strong trend line right here, going all the way down to the local low at the launch of Luna. And this is holding on pretty well. It's not that strong, and we might need to do it like this actually. Yeah, that fits a little bit better. Then you get a little bit more touches. So now you got this bullish trend line, and apart from that, we also have this trend line broken. So I'm instantly going to delete that to clear the chart a little bit. So those are two positive things, but you should know, if you take a look at the price, it's still lower high after lower high, or we just we get to the same level as the high and we drop down again. So the market structure is still kind of bearish, and the main thing we would need to do today, if we actually want to get into a more bullish market structure, or in a more bullish scenario, is we can get a higher high. That would be great, but one thing we would need to do, and one level we would need to break, is this 7.2 level, and probably over the rest of the day that will even out to the $7 level, because I think breaking above that 200 EMA is the most important thing. But if we can do that, first of all, we can start to move up towards $8 and 8.25. But apart from that, you also get that market structure, and market structure is everything right now, because you want to either consolidate and accumulate at a certain level, or you want to be able to start some sort of an uptrend. And right now it's just dropping down and down, because the other scenario is that we do not do something like this. We do get a higher high, but we reject off of $7 and we drop down through this trend line. Then you're just trying to hold that $5.76 level, which I think could actually provide us with some more support for the rest of the day and maybe for the next few days. But if we don't break above that level here at $7 and $7.2, we're just going to also drop down to $5. So we would need to have some bullish moves. Otherwise, this downtrend, definitely in these market circumstances, is just going to continue and continue. So yeah, that's basically my analysis on Luna for now. If you wanna do this trend line yourself as well, it's from this low. It's from that local low at the beginning of the launch. So yeah, that's basically my analysis for now. If you do have any questions about the analysis or about anything I said, please let me know down in the comments. And as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.